Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ice cream from whey protein. First, understand that whey protein can create a unique texture, often less creamy than traditional dairy ice cream. However, with the right approach, you can achieve a satisfying, high-protein frozen treat. We'll cover the essential steps and ingredients to help you create a delightful dessert that aligns with your dietary goals. Get ready to transform your protein powder into a cool, refreshing snack. For your base, you'll need 1 scoop of whey protein powder, typically around 25 to 30 grams. Combine this with about 1 cup or 240 milliliters of your chosen liquid like almond milk or water. To sweeten, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a sugar substitute such as erythritol or stevia. You might also include a small amount of a thickener, like 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, for improved texture. Begin by blending all your ingredients together until the mixture is completely smooth, ensuring no lumps remain. For the best results, pour this mixture into an ice cream maker and churn for 20 to 30 minutes, or until it reaches a soft serve consistency. If you don't have a machine, you can freeze it in a shallow container, stirring every 30 to 60 minutes for about 3 to 4 hours. To enhance creaminess, consider adding a small amount of xanthan gum, perhaps 1/4 teaspoon, to your mixture. This helps prevent ice crystals and improves the overall mouthfeel. For a softer, more scoopable texture, let your finished ice cream sit out for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavorings, like cocoa powder or fruit extracts, to customize your high-protein treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.